hole down there almost, halfway up the street sign. It's still coming down. Well, it's not really the snow coming down that much, it's more like being blown around. That storm is just a big hurricane off the coast of Cape Cod. It's off the coast of the tip of Martha's Vineyards right now, but it's like about 100 miles out. Look at this shit. It's on my porch. How deep it is. It's up to the second step over there next door. Look at that car across the street in a parking lot. Can you see that? It's up to the door handles. Yeah, this is the worst I've seen it yet. I think in '96 it wasn't this bad. I mean, look at this. It's like a wall of snow all the way up the street. This is nuts. And it ain't stopped snowing yet. It's supposed to snow all night until tomorrow. Probably be all the way up to the friggin' windows by the time I wake up.